our channel, and today we have our friends Leah and Maya. So today we are going to be making crepes, which are French pancakes but are thinner. So for this recipe you are going to need
eggs and a little bit of some sugar.
How many
salt.
eggs?
That's salt.
And you need water, and you also need some vanilla sugar.
You will also need 1 litre of milk. It can be any kind. We've chosen to use semi-skimmed. If you see you need less, then you can use less. And then we have 400 grams of flour. We also have olive oil. You can use any type of oil, but we are using this one. And we have vanilla. So before we get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's get started.
First, I'm going to crack 2 eggs.
Crack. One. I'm going to try not to laugh.
You can put it back in there.
It's spilled. It's got shells inside.
I'm going to crack 2 more eggs. Swap.
Like big. Yeah. Eggs are falling in. It's so quiet as well.
Then 1 more.
And then after you're going to add the sugar.
Now you whisk.
I cracked the egg on my finger. Whisk it. Add the vanilla sugar whilst Kiara is mixing the egg in.
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yes.
Yep. Now we are going to add the milk. Add the flour. We've already added the milk to make it more. To make it more kind of all quick. Yeah. So now we're going to add some vanilla. I'm going to use the cap to measure. Now we're going to add 2 sprays of this olive oil. 1, 2. We're going to add just a little bit of water. That should be enough.
Let me add this.
Okay. Now we are all done and we are ready to start. Crepes. It looks so good. It looks so yummy. And we have a bunch of
spreads. You can put any spreads on.
So we have jam,
we got
Nutella, and nectar.
Obviously, this is what to put on the crepes.
Yeah, and then this is just our drink. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.